Welcome friends. Once again, you all a very warm welcome there in my channel Maths Mania. दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सभी अपने घरों में खुश होंगे और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का आनंद उठा रहे होंगे, अपनी पढ़ाई को अग्रसर कर रहे होंगे. दोस्तों, in this videos the thing which we are giving you that is very important for you all in this pandemic situation. So dear friends, don't forget to utilize these times because it is very precious for you. So today friends, we came here in front of you with a new question of the exercise 13.4, which is question number 4 of the exercise 13.4 of the same chapter, surface areas and volume. Right friends, in this question just see what is given the information, then we need to solve it. Given that a container opened from the top and made up of a metal sheet is in the form of a frustum of a cone. A container is there and this container is made up of which is opened from the top and made up of metal sheet. It is in the form of a frustum of a cone of height 16 centimeters. So height of that frustum of cone is, height of that container is 16 centimeter. Next, with radii of its lower and upper ends, radius of lower end is 8 centimeter and radius of upper end is 20 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. Means we have to find out the amount of milk that can fill the container, and then after getting the amount of milk we have to find out its cost, as the rate of the cost is given rupees 20 per liter. Understood? Also find the cost of metal sheet used to make the container if it cost rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. So friends, as the container is in the form of frustum of cone, open upward, it is open upward, the height of this container is given 16 centimeters. So let's see the solution of this question. Given that height of the container h is equals to 16 centimeter. Afterwards, radius of lower end which is 8 centimeter, say it is R2. Radius of lower end which is 8 centimeter and radius of upper end is 20 centimeter. So say R1 is equals to, which is open from the top, means this area is open. Afterwards, find the cost of milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. Right? So for this we need to find out the volume of the container. So dear friends, as the container you are seeing, it is open upward, whose radius is 20 centimeter, that we have taken R1, and closed to the downward, means to the bottom, whose radius is 8 centimeter. Right? So let us find out the volume of this container with the formula. As you know that the formula that in the previous lecture we have discussed, it is important to learn the formula. So what is the volume of frustum of cone? So the volume of frustum of cone is, therefore the volume of container is equals to volume of container is equals to volume of frustum of cone, which is volume of frustum of cone. Right friends? And we know that the formula of volume of frustum of cone, how to find? That you have the formula 1/3 pi into h multiplied by r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 multiplied by r2. Let us substitute the values of it. 1/3 pi, height of this is given 16 centimeter, so multiplied by 16 into r1 square means 20 square plus r2 square which is 8 square plus r1 into r2 which is 20 into 8 cubic centimeter. Okay friends, so 1/3 pi is 3.14 into 16 multiplied by 400, square of 20 is 400, square of 8 is 64 plus 20 into 8 is 160 cubic centimeter. So let us find it, that is 1/3 into 3.14 into 16 multiplied by 400 plus 160 is 560. 560 plus 60 is 620 plus 4 is 624 cubic centimeter. Now this is can be simplified by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 0 and 3 8s are 24. So we got 3.14 into 16 multiplied by 208 cubic centimeter. Okay friends, so let's multiply this is 3.14 into 16 into 208 we have to multiply. So 208 into 16, that is 6 8s are 48, 6 2s are 12, 8 0 2 8 2 3 and 3. So we got 3,328 cubic centimeter. Okay friends, so now this 3,328 can be multiplied by 3.14. 3,328 multiplied by 3.14. Let's multiply. Then we can get the volume of this container. 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8, plus 3 is 11, 4 3s are 12, plus 1 13, 12 plus 1 13, 8 2 3 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. So 2 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 plus 8 is 14, 10 plus 4 14 and 9 plus 1 is 10. So what we got, this is equals to 10,449 10,449.92 cubic centimeter is the volume of this container. This is in centimeter cube. So we need to calculate this centimeter cube in liter first of all, because we have to find out the volume of the container in liter. Means how much, what is the amount of milk that this container can hold. So since you know that 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube, so this volume is divided by 1000. Therefore you can write it 10,449.92 divided by 10,000 divided by 1000 liter, because 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube, right? So let's divide it. So it can hold, therefore volume of container is when this number is divided by 10,000, so it can be written as 10.449 liter. Which is nearly equals to 10.45 liter. Now we need to find out what the first question, find the cost of milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of 20 rupees per liter. So as this is the amount of milk can be there in the container, so the cost of milk is equals to milk equals to 10.45 multiplied by 20 rupees. Why? Because cost of milk is given rupees 20 per liter. Rupees 20 per liter. So let us multiply. It can be written as 104.5 multiplied by 2 rupees. So 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, 190, means 209 rupees is the cost of milk that this container can hold. The amount of milk is 10.45 liter is the volume of this container. Okay friends, as the second question in this asking, इसमें जो दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है वो दूसरा क्वेश्चन क्या है? First question was find the cost of milk which completely fill at the rate of 20 rupees per liter. ये हमारा तो आंसर आ गया. अभी दूसरा क्वेश्चन हमारा क्या है? Also find, this is the second question, be careful. Also find the cost of metal sheet used to make the container. अभी इस कंटेनर को बनाने के लिए कितने मेटल शीट का यूज किया गया है उसका कॉस्ट भी फाइंड करना है, विच इज गिवन इफ इट कॉस्ट रुपीज 8 पर 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इट मीन्स ऑफ 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर का कॉस्ट रुपीज 8 लग रहा है. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट इट्स surface area of the container, means chord surface area plus area of the bottom. As for the second question, in this it is asking cost of metal sheet. तो cost of metal sheet फाइंड करने के लिए पहले तो हमें metal sheet की रिक्वायर्ड कितनी होगी ये फाइंड करना होगा. So as from the figure it is clear that to find out the metal sheet which is required for this container, we should find out the chord surface area of this plus the area of the bottom or base of this figure. After getting the area of metal sheet, then we can find the cost of metal sheet used for this container, from which cost is ₹8 per 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. अब क्वेश्चन ये राइज होता है, मेटल शीट का एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए हमें स्लैंट हाइट की ज़रूरत होगी. सो टू फाइंड आउट द स्लैंट हाइट, there is once more formula we need to require here. So let's find out the length of slant height of this by the formula L is equals to under root R1 minus R2 whole square plus H square. Okay, इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं. That is equals to R1 is 20 minus R2 is 8 whole square plus height is 16 square, which is equals to under root R1 20 minus 8 is 12 square plus 16 square. That is equals to 144 plus 256. So you will get under root 400, that is equals to 20 centimeter. Means its slant height came which is 20 centimeter. After getting the measure of slant height, that is 20 centimeter, then we can find the metal sheet used in this container, area of the metal sheet used in this container. So the area of metal sheet for the container, therefore area of metal sheet required for the container is equals to pi into R1 plus R2 into L, which is slant height. This is the chord surface area plus the area of base also, which is pi R2 square. Are you getting why we have taken chord surface area plus area of base? Because this container is having only this much surface. Right, now substitute the values. Pi should be pi, R1 is 20 plus R2 is 8 into slant height is 20 centimeter square plus pi R2 is 8 square centimeter. So this is pi into 28 multiplied by 20 square centimeter plus 8 is 64 square centimeter. So multiply it, we will get 28 to the 56, 560 pi plus 64 pi centimeter square. Add it, you will get 4, 6, 6, 12 and 5, 16 pi centimeter square. This is the surface area of the metal sheet required. Now you can substitute the value of pi here. So 624 multiplied by 3.14 centimeter square. So let's multiply it. 624 into 3.14, 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8, 19, 4 6 are 24. Now 4 2 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, 3 6 are 18, 6 9 4 13, carry 1, 5 6 7 8 9, 8 7 15, carry 1, 8 1 9 and 1. So decimal is here. You got 19 1900 1959.36 centimeter square is the area of metal sheet for this container. This is the area of metal sheet for the container. So we need to find out the cost of this metal sheet at the rate of rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. So the cost of metal sheet for this container, cost of metal sheet is equals to rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square, 8 upon 100 multiplied by this area 1959.36 rupees, because rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. So let us multiply it. 8 multiplied by 19.59 rupees. So which cost? 8 9s are 72, carry 7, 8 5s are 40, plus 7 47, carry 4, 9 8s are 72, plus 4, 72 plus 4 is 76, again carry 6, 8 1s are 76, 8 1s are 8 plus 7 is 15, 156.72 rupees is the cost of metal sheet required for this container. Okay friends, so let's see the last sum of this exercise, or you can say last sum of this whole chapter also. This is question number 5, given that a metallic right circular cone 20 centimeter high. So this is the metallic right circular cone of height 20 centimeter whose vertical angle is 60 degree, as the topmost, that vertical point angle is 60 degree, is cut into two parts of the middle of its height. It is cut from the middle, means its height is 20 centimeter, so it is divided into two equal parts by the height. So by 10 centimeter and by 10 centimeter, means the upper cone, height of the upper cone is 10 centimeter and height of the remaining frustum is also 10 centimeter. By a plane parallel to its base, if the frustum so obtained be drawn into the wire of diameter 1 upon 16 centimeter, find the length of the wire. Okay friends, so as from the figure it is clear that the vertical angle is 60 degree. So just see the triangle AE and G. In this, from the figure it is clear that in the solution of this, in triangle AEZ, in this triangle, let us find the measure of, since angle is half, that is tan 30 is equals to EZ upon AZ. As from the figure it is clear that measure of AZ is 10 centimeter. the value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, which is G EG upon 10. So from here we will get the measure of EG, which is 10 upon root 3 centimeter. Okay friends, after that just see the triangle from the figure A, B and D. So in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, similarly tan 30 is equals to BD upon AD. BD of measure of BD we are going to find out, upon AD is 20. So which is equals to 1 upon root 3. Therefore BD is equals to 20 upon root 3 centimeter. So as EG is 10 upon root 3, say this is measure E2. Sorry, this is the radius of E2. So R1 is equals to 20 upon root 3, this BD, and EG is R2, which is 10 upon root 3 centimeter. Right friends? So after getting the measure of this R1 and R2 of both the ends of this frustum, R1 is the radius of the lower base, R2 is the radius of the upper part of frustum. So let's find out the volume of this frustum we can find. And this frustum, as in the question it is given, if the frustum so obtained be drawn into the wire, means the volume of frustum उसको दूसरा शेप दिया गया, उसको दूसरे शेप में कन्वर्ट किया गया. ये किसका फॉर्म है, किस टॉपिक का? द कन्वर्जन ऑफ सॉलिड फ्रॉम वन शेप टू अनदर. नाउ द शेप, दिस फ्रस्टम इज मेल्टेड एंड गिवन द न्यू शेप इन द फॉर्म ऑफ wire. Wire means you know that wire is in the shape of cylinder. As the wire is in the shape of cylinder, so the volume of that wire will be equals to the volume of this frustum. Right friends? So let's find, as it is asking the question, then find the length of that wire. उस wire का length find करना है, means we have to find the height of that cylindrical part, as you know that wire is in the shape of cylinder. So let the length of wire be L centimeter. Let the length of wire be L unit. Okay friends, so the volume of wire so obtained will be equals to the volume of frustum so obtained. Therefore volume of wire is equals to volume of frustum. Volume of wire is in the shape of cylinder. So the volume of this cylindrical part is pi r square h. Its diameter is given 1 upon 16 centimeter. So its radius will be, as diameter is 1 upon 16 centimeter, so radius is the half of this. So that radius can be written as 1 upon 32 centimeter. So therefore pi r square into L is equals to volume of frustum of cone, that is 1/3 pi into height of frustum, which is 10 centimeter. Height of frustum is h multiplied by r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into R2. Now we need to substitute the values as R diameter of this is given of wire is 1 upon 16, since D diameter of wire be 1 upon 16 centimeter, so radius will be 1 upon 32 centimeter. Now substitute these values there in the formula. Pi into r square, 1 upon 32 centimeters, 32 square multiplied by this length of wire which is required is equals to 1/3 pi into height is 10 centimeter of this frustum multiplied by r1 square which is 20 upon root 3 plus r2 square 10 upon root 3 square plus r1 is 20 upon root 3 multiplied by r2 is 10 upon root 3. So let us solve it. Pi is cancelled from both the side. So length 1 upon 32 square, 1 upon 32 into 32 multiplied by length is equals to 1 upon 3 multiplied by 10 into 400 upon 3 plus 100 upon 3 plus 200 upon 3. So as all the denominator is 3, so we can add it easily. Therefore, length of wire is equals to 32 into 32 into 10 upon 3 multiplied by 400 plus 100 500 plus 200 700 upon 3 centimeter. So this is the value will be in centimeter. Now we can convert it into the meter by dividing it 100. So which can be written as 32 into 32 multiplied by 70 upon 9 meter, since this 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, as you know. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now let us calculate the value of this is 32 into 32 into 70. Right? 32 into 32 into 70 divided by 9. That will be, let's find the value of this is 32 into 32. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 4 2 1024. 1024 multiplied by 70. 1024 multiplied by 70. So 1000 So 1024 multiplied by 70 can be 0, 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14, plus 2 16, 7 1s are 7. Now this number is going to be divided by 9. So 9, 7s are 63. Because 9 8s are 72, which is this 71 is less than 72. 63. So 7 plus 1 8. 9 9s are 81. 5. Then 9 6 are 54, 9 4s are 36. Find 4, etc. So we got that 7964.4 meter is the length of wire that can be made with the frustum of this cone. Got it? Then that can be made with the frustum of this cone. Any problem? So friends, as we got these two triangles is clear from the figure, triangle AEG and triangle ABD. So these two concepts came from the trigonometry. So it is very basic knowledge of the trigonometry. From this we can got the value of R2 and R1. R1 is 20 upon root 3, R2 is 10 upon root 3. Afterwards we have to use the concept of conversion of solid from one shape to another and find the length of wire easily. Understood?